Are you planning a trip to Malaysia and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Malaysia in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Malaysia is Maya Mobile. If you want affordable and flexible plans, Maya is a great choice. Everything runs on 5G and lasts for 10 days. You can go for 3GB at $6.29, step up to 5GB at $8.99, or get 10GB at $13.49. For heavier use, there's 20GB at $25.19, and if you need unlimited data, it's just $28.79. If you use the link in the description, you'll get an automatic 10% discount at checkout as well. When you click the link in the description, it'll take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Malaysia into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. Now, if you already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I'll recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. For Malaysia, the options start with 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $8, valid for 15 days, and 3GB for $10.50, valid for 30 days. Heavier data users can grab 5GB for $15, 10GB for $25, or 20GB for $40, each with 30-day validity. If you need even more, Airalo has unlimited data for $35, valid for 10 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get the same 10% discount. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or short stays, Maya takes the top spot. The prices are lower, the speeds are great, and the setup is effortless. But if you're staying a bit longer and want 30-day validity, Airalo's mid-size plans delivered solid value with the convenience of an in-app top-up. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Malaysia in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.